Hey there, it's Andrew, and I'm on the toilet. Are you a dude? Because if so, you should probably have some dude wipes. So, the whole concept of a wet wipe, dry wipe, back and forth type action, I know it's gross for some, but it's amazing. So look, most of the wipes that I used to get were about this big, right? I mean, let's be honest, my finger's going to go through there. And you know exactly what happens when that happens. So, started looking and found dude wipes. They make some that actually smell pretty good, some that are fragrance free, but love them. They're big. There's a ton of them in there. And look at the size of these bad boys. Thank you. And they stay nice and wet. You guys have all probably popped open one of the other competitor brands and it's been super dry, almost drier than toilet paper. And that makes no sense. You can't use that. So dude wipes, really, really wet, nice and big, very strong. These things are not going anywhere. They're not ripping or tearing very easily. And they flush really nicely too. So if you like to go to the restroom like this guy, dude wipes, buy them, use them, have them in every bathroom. You won't regret it. Appreciate it.